Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Monday, September 30th. Well, interesting things going on. We have fundamentals that really did stimulate the market, but we didn't see a confident close in these indices. But we've seen an effort towards it. But Monday is going to be an interesting day in terms of follow through. Now, if you haven't looked at these videos before, these are daily candles that you're looking at. The concept is a swing trade, so you're trying to capture a piece of a move. Now, if it's a solid line, that would mean green. That would mean it's a buy level. A solid red line means it's a sell level. A dashed line, like you see this, that would be something that occurred previous to this market this week. So this would be a previous buy level, previous sell level. After the end of the week, you could, or actually today, you could go back 10 years at dangramza.com and look at these free videos to see how these lines changed over time. Now, the dollar difference here between the buy level and the sell level, just to give you a reference if you're not familiar with these futures, well, that would be $8,070 a contract. And again, be guarded on Monday. The price action that we're seeing in not only the Dow but also the Russell is not a sign of confidence. The dollar difference between the buy and sell level there in the Russell is $500 a contract. And in the currencies, the euro is all over the map. It's what I call a neutral zone trade, looking for a sideways move this week in this market. Dollar difference between those dashed lines there, $87.50. In the Swissy, that dollar difference there, also a nice strong close. Monday and Tuesday be very important. You need to see follow through. Difference between that sell and buy level is $200 a contract. Now, Mr. Yen. Mr. Yen's off to the races. New prime minister, and the yen likes it. This means the yen is getting stronger, and the U.S. dollar against the yen is getting weaker. Difference between the sell and buy level is $125 a contract. I do look for follow through to the upside. Aussie dollar, difference between the buy and sell level there, $1,740 a contract. Losing momentum there, and we're losing momentum here in the British pound. So be cautious on the long side. Dollar difference for the buy to sell level in that market is $1,093.75. Well, how about the Canadian dollar? On Friday, it got weaker. I do look for continuation down, but not a long way down. The bias for this market is for a move higher. The dollar difference between the sell and buy level is $180 a contract. Well, Bitcoin had an interesting week, but this is a market that's really struggling. Don't look for a big move on Monday to the upside. Well, here, the difference between the buy and sell level, and again, it's just a reference to give you an idea what it represents. That's $19,125 a contract. But if we look at what's going on in the 10-year notes, we're finding some buyers because yields are coming off. If that continues on Monday, look for an up day. We see in the bond market traded just a bit above that buy level. The dollar difference in that market is $437.50. If we look at what's going on with gold, it traded below its sell level on Friday, and the dollar difference in that market, $4,900 a contract. I do look for a little bit of a movement to the downside, but not really a trend change. I feel the same way about silver. The bias for the precious metals are still to the upside, and the dollar difference between the buy and sell level here is $4,300 a contract. Copper slowing down. We still need China, and that demand is not flowing yet, although China has taken some steps to increase demand. This is a market where, again, I'd be cautious on the long side and in crude oil. The dollar difference between the sell buy to sell level in that market is $500 a contract. We could have an up day on Monday in that market. Nat gas wanting to go higher. Do we have the fundamentals to sustain this market? This could be a turning point in this market. So I do look for follow through to the upside. The difference between the sell and buy level, $2,000 a contract. Soybeans continue higher. I'm a little suspect of that, but there's a mixture of fundamental information out there, not only on soybeans, but also on corn. And the dollar difference here is $150 a contract in wheat. I'm bullish on wheat. I look for another move to the upside. If you look at the sell to buy level or buy to sell level in that market, that is $250 a contract. And what we're looking for, because of the global situation, is a move to the upside. So be cautious on the short side. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Look forward to being with you again next week. And in the meantime, take care.